See, these all, if you see here, right, security layer, it will be, see, now why I talking about, right, whenever doing coding level, right, major point, okay, you should be take care of these all security related. If either you working in front end, either you working in back end or DB side or cloud level or data related or anything input relation related or it be like a monitoring purpose logging related. It be then apart from the validating or compliance related. Okay. So coming to the first point, okay, API gateway security. Okay. So API gateway, it will be like a first talking about a security layer, right? It will like a first whenever request sending from the anywhere, okay, API gateway. You should be maintain these things, okay. What is that one? Single entry point to TLS 1.2, okay, 1.3 encryption, rating limit, okay, okay, IP allowing list, okay, request validation, API versioning. If you see here, right, single entry point, okay, API gateway, you should be, you have developed the items request sending, right, you from the UI layer to backend layer, right? It should be intermediate layer. There is a API gateway. Okay. Whenever hitting, right, first you should do hit API gateway. From there, you should process the request in the next layer, let be a backend layer by any service. I talking about mobile service or core service or Claripop and all talking, right? Those things I talking that one. Okay. It will be like a based on the request, right? Supplication relation. That is what HTTPS is talking, right? That is what HTTPS, TLS. See, combination of the HTTP, right? HTTP protocol. Okay, I'll come that next topic, that one. Let us today talk about it. Tomorrow you'll talk about protocols related. Okay, combination of HTTP plus TLS is combination of that one only HTTPS. Okay, are you guys getting that? This one. This is what transport and layer security protocol. Okay, transport. Okay, that is what here layer security layer. Okay, rating limit, right? Rating limit means how many hit you sending per second or per 1 minute or like this. You got it, right? That is what. Another things you should be on the our domain specific URL only. You should allow. It's not allowed to the other request URL. You got it? What I'm saying? Some IP and all. See, are you clear? You got it, right? That is one thing. Request validation, right? Okay. These one request validation payload, right? Is properly following or not? These request properly format is there not? Those are validation here. Okay. API versioning. Okay. API versioning means, okay, this is what major point. Suppose since very important. One of the solid means solid means I told, right? Single, open, and layers. Okay. In the intermediate interface and the disability. Okay. If you see that durability, okay. If you see there's versioning, right? SVLA, right? One of the third point is one API versioning. Okay. What is the meaning here? Right? Any already one method is right, one control, you should not be, okay, already existing method, some functionality task performing the control, okay. You should not be you should not change the method prototype. Like you have passing 2, 3 parameter. Now you want another parameter, right? You should not rewrite the like it is not a prototype. You should not add the fourth parameter. Okay, you should the update the parameter logic wise. Either you have to split that method into the two types. Okay, you want since you are demanding the that so what is I'm talking here? There are three parameters passing. Okay, control. Next you want fourth parameter, right? You should not pass that fourth parameter to the next. You should update the fourth parameter. Next, either you should be right on the alternate method, one more method. Okay. Then otherwise you should be positioned to handle the inside the same method task. It will like a update or version. You have to rewrite the some other method. You should not on the change on the method prototype. Okay. Then after that, you should be API versioning, right? E1, E2, like this should write that one. Are you getting fine, right? That is what here. Okay.
Okay.
You're getting point, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So since you require now, then you should do then hitting time, right? Or production time, right? It will be like U1, what is that prototype? What is the E2? It will be like go like this request data and all process that one. So these things already mentioned clearly. Another thing, authentication, authorization. Okay. These one I talking about, right? Auth 2.0, Open ID Connect, JDB token, I talking, right?
Yes.
These things and all should follow that one. Then apart from the Guru, you these your side, okay? RBA, AAC, these all enforcing the user rules and role-wise access, role-wise permissions. What is the meaning, right? These one, third point, right? RBAC, RBABAC. Okay, what is the meaning? Na? Rule-based access control, attribute-based access control. Okay, meaning of observation that one.
Okay.
Here, what is the meaning, right? Okay, admin user, another user, main user, another user like a payment, like a finance user. Okay,
Okay.
adminu, manager, employee, or user type employee, and user type finance, user type. Okay, then manager. It will be like a different category of roles. Okay, roles and responsibilities that them. Okay, in that company
Okay.
all people should not access all your menus, right? Okay.
Mm.
There is a specific finance related finance should go access. Admin means admin should be access. Okay.
Mm.
Then read write permission also. Okay. Inside the application, you access, right?
Mm.
Those things it will cover these rules. Okay.
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 RBAC. Okay. Rule based access control. Attribute based access control, which means read write permission, attribute based. Okay. That is what
Mm.
here. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
these one on the testing level, one of the major point. This one were technically back in layer, they will control mechanism here. Okay,
Okay.
token and all.
Mm.
Okay, each and you see right, these major polish should follow these protocols. Okay, these security layers. Okay, these one. Then after that, if you see sort leaved access token, the service identify the rotate API key, secret. This one API rotation, right? One request completion, na, it will flow level is complete, right? It will be like those that one. It will be like now you're talking about since a paid version I'm talking, right? You will take some of the paid version over, right? It will be one request API key giver, right? It will be like a 90 days, then 30 days, 10 days, and I'll give. Once that over that time, right? It will be expect that API key. Then they since they have to able to put on the new key, okay? Until should not allow to use any request here. That is a mechanism here. So, you're talking about authentication, authorization, right? Should follow on these guidelines for developing the our coding also. Okay, since we will not, okay, these one different purpose, different layers, but it should be keep on the mind which where we have to use which layer and all. It should be on the which proto security layer and all. You should be aware of that one. Okay. These one no one I'll tell these layer use that one like this. We should never developing itself is to should take care of that one. Another thing, service to service security. We're talking about one service to another service now. Since you're talking right pin client, you should be talk that one. Okay. Another like it will be like a ML a mutual TLS. Okay. This one. You're talking about two TLS. One for HTTP TLS upper you saw that one. One more TLS mutual TLS. Okay. This one you're talking about one service to another service in a clustering related to payment gateway. See how it will work, right?
Yes, sir.
Payment gateway, right? So once you whenever sending request, right, Kishore, since you're
Yes,
working,
sir.
right,
Yes,
there
sir.
is one supplication key should pass payment gateway. You should
Okay.
be you're requesting our URL to our sorry application to the another application, correct, right? Another application means payment gateway. Okay.
Payment. Yes, sir.
Since you're sending these request one application layer to the another layer, right? There is a communication system. Okay. What is the communication with this MLTLS application? Whatever request sending certificate, right? That encrypt these one you should pass on the encryption mode. There, their side, which means a payment gateway side, they can able to decrypt that one. They can understood these request where is coming. So these one coming from the Clariprop request. This application, this what ID. Those things allocated by these one using this protocol. Okay.
Okay.
Then another main security layer service mesh security. Okay, these all it will be in between the I told right. I said there is a one service to another service, so it should be handled these one. Okay, Unix
Okay.
service identity. Okay, only one ID should have that one. Each and service one ID should maintain that one. No direct public exposure. Okay. EPS. Okay, these one major important. Okay, network segmentation. Okay, if this one you see on the isolation, okay, group of services, which they cannot be separated freely. Okay, it will be like a this one network side. Okay, see here
Okay.
I EPS right. Some of the service exposure, some of the service API get exposure. It will be like a internal communication. Okay, there is
Okay.
intranet. Okay, intranet, internal, extranet, right? Internet. Okay, there is a difference that one. Okay, internal communication B2B use the in the here, right? The public and all access that one. That's why I told you the HTTPS. You're talking about API gate to hit that one. That is what security here. Okay, network side.
Okay.
Internal communication, right? It will be like a ML TLS connectivity, pin client on talking. Okay, you're talking about right pin client, right? It should be mechanism to service layer. There, see, Python side, there is a core, this type of communication, right? Okay, one for
Yes, sir.
gRPC. Okay, Google Remote Protocol. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, gRPC.
Okay,
Okay, another protocol A to A. Okay, one agent to another agent communication. They AI related. Another thing, and right, MCP protocol, model context protocol. So these protocols using in the since you're talking about um, service to service or agent to agent communication. Okay, that is the difference here. Since it Kafka, it is the message uh, broker protocol. It will be like a produce and act that one. It will be like common process that nature's theoretical nature same. Okay, working nature same, but it will be coding wise difference Python and Java. So that is what here. Okay, then data protection. Okay, these one majorly, see, Guru, for you also this one, okay? Encryption
yes.
data, okay? Data and the transit, okay? TLS, encryption rate, AVS, okay? Okay, then masking
Okay.
PIL, okay, this one, okay, private information identifier, okay, and logs, okay, it's not be added. So, okay, secure secret management. This what centralized conversation are talking, right? This one validate and this one you see here validate and Astra this one whatever secrets, whatever password, those things and like it will be access set centralized mechanism system config layer in that one. Okay, same thing AML specific API security also. Okay, these one also same mechanism. Okay, it be like a this one of the protocol you should be follow this one. Okay, then input to validation, threat protection. Okay. These all across the all. Guru, this one for you, SQL also will come the one. Excel, SQL injection protocol, schema parameter validation. Okay. Access protection, payload size limit.
Okay.
These are direct. Maybe your guys not observe this one. This one it will be firewall. It is web application firewall. It's here, right? These are all important our side. Okay. Then logging and monitoring. Okay. This one full API audit logging or logging request timestamp. Okay. These are it will be like a some standard should follow. Apart from the security things also will come. Both together will come here. Okay. What is meaning log, right? Okay. You know, coding, right? So, Kishore, Bala,
Yes, sir.
Kishore, you're doing recording, right? Log, you should be on the a little bit meaningful added to who's sending request to who's what is that requested date time. Okay, what is the payload, basic information you should be able to print that one logging site. That is what important here.
Okay.
So this was it will be like a centralized SIEM. Okay, that's what a single pane of class for correlation. Okay, this is what here. So these all just read that one. Anything you're not understanding, na, you let us know. I'll explain that one.